These weird types of videos are getting millions of views. This one got 14 million views in just few days. And channels like this are making thousands of dollars just posting simple AI generated shorts. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create these viral teeth cleaning videos using AI step by step. I found a channel with less than 100 videos that already has tens of thousands of subscribers. And most of their videos are hitting millions of views, and their account was created somewhere January. Just one viral shot like this can help you grow fast and even qualify you for monetization on YouTube or probably TikTok. The secret is not a tool, it's just a simple format. These types of video go extremely viral and work because they are satisfying, simple, loopable, and easy to mass produce day in, day out. Now let me show you how to create them in these simple steps. And you're doing this with free AI tools as well. So let's dive into it. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is to find ideas. So we first paste the channel analysis prompt into ChatGPT. So we're simply going to take screenshots of the channel that we just found doing the same thing and give it a prompt that I'll leave a link in the description. You can copy and then use that prompt as well. Okay, to start with this, I'm going to take a screenshot of the channel banner and the channel logo with the channel name. I'm going to click on save, and I'm going to do same with the videos, which are the shots on the channel. Now, the reason why we do this is that I'm going to give it to ChatGPT, and then I'm going to give it a channel analysis prompt to analyze the channel and tell us how we can create videos like how they are creating. Now, I imported the screenshots I took from the channel, and I'm going to copy my channel analysis prompt. I'll leave these prompts in the description. So I'm going to copy and paste it back to ChatGPT. So right click and then you click on copy. Head on back to ChatGPT and paste it right there, and then click on enter or send prompt. It's going to analyze the channel and tell you how you can create such videos, and then start with a channel like that. So it's going to give you video ideas, and let us proceed. The next thing we want to take a look at is image generation. I have a prompt in the description. Once you click on it, you can copy this image prompt generation and put it in ChatGPT. And then ChatGPT is going to create these image prompts for you that we can use to generate videos later on in the video. All right, so we're going to use tools like Gemini and Dreamina from CapCut to create these images. They are super realistic and they are also free to use as well. Do not forget to also choose a vertical format since it's for YouTube shorts and then TikTok videos. So choose 9:16. So right here, I'm going to go back to my image prompt and then copy my image prompt. I'm then going to go back to ChatGPT and paste the prompts right there. And right from here, I'm going to copy a video topic idea and then paste it right here in the prompt. I'm then going to scroll down and then select the number of image prompts I want. To make it short, I'm going to select 5. I'm going to click on enter. It's going to give me a bunch of image prompts that I can use to generate images for these types of teeth videos. So I'm then going to go to a free AI tool called Dreamina by CapCut, select AI image, and then set the ratio to 9:16, which is vertical for TikTok and then YouTube Shorts. I'm then going to go back to ChatGPT and then copy, then paste the prompt right here, and then enter. It's going to take a while, and it's going to generate an image for you, and it has 4 types of images here, so you select the one that you best like. In this case, I'm then going to select this one, and I'm going to click on download. Now I'm going to generate the second image, but before we do that, we need to use the first image we downloaded as a reference image to generate the new one. This helps us to get consistent images, and then I'm going to click upload and then import the first video we downloaded. So use this image as a reference image and generate. Then I'll go and copy the image prompt too. Come back to Dreamina and then paste it right here. You can use any AI image generator. So I'm going to do the following for the next images and then create the images precisely. The reason why we use the images as a reference is that we are looking for consistency in this type of video we are creating. So the first image becomes a reference for the second image. The second image becomes a reference for the third image, and it continues like that. So you can see there's a difference here in the images. It looks quite the same, but the actions in the images are different. All right, so the next step we want to take a look at is turn the images into videos using AI video generation tools. You can use tools like Google Flow or any AI video generator to upload the images and then turn them into videos. All right, so the key trick here is to set image 1 as the start frame and image 2 as the end frame. Then paste your transition prompt. This will help you generate each sequence one by one until all the clips are done. This is Flow, and this is where we generate the videos. So what we're going to do is to click on this option right here and select 9 by 16. I'm then going to select video, and then I'm going to leave it like that. I'll set the module to View 3.1, which is very fast, and generating this will cost me 40 credits, which is free to use. You get 150 credits every day. So the start frame is the first image that I generated on Dreamina. So these are the images. And so I'm then going to select the first frame, which is this. Now I'm also going to select the second frame, which is the second image we generated from Dreamina. From here, I'm then going to go over my video prompt and then copy the video prompt. Once copied, I'm going to head back to ChatGPT and paste the prompt right there and click on enter. Right, so I'm going to change the number of images to 5 because we are generating 5 images here. I'm going to click on enter, and you can see that we have transition prompts here. So transition prompt image 1 to image 2. So I'm going to copy this prompt right here, send it to the app you're using, which is Flow, paste it, and then click on enter. Now it's going to transition the start frame to the end frame to make it look like one video. Okay, so because the images are consistent, so you will not see the difference, which will make everything look cool and epic. So I'm going to do the same for the rest of the images here too, and I'm going to convert it into videos. Now with our transition 1, we have 2 images here, which is the start frame and the end frame. To get consistent transition, you need to use the end frame of transition 1 as the start frame for transition 2. You're going to do that until all the images are done, and then you download the videos. The next thing we want to take a look at is editing the final video. So we are going to compile all the videos that we generated and then make a video out of it. So I'll be using a tool called InShot to do this. So I sent the videos on my phone, and then I'm going to import it into the timeline. Right from here, I'm going to edit the video by resizing it to fit 9 by 16, which is the ratio for YouTube Shorts and then TikTok. I'm then going to increase the size a little bit to cover the watermark. Google Flow adds sound effects to the videos that we generate, which makes it really easy to edit because you don't have to add the sounds ourselves. Now you have to arrange these videos in order to make it look more consistent and natural. You're going to see an InShot logo on the video you are editing. Once you click on the logo, it's going to disable, and then you can export your video in 2K, 4K, or 1080p. So that is how you create these videos, guys. So watch it. Now let's take a look at monetization strategy. Now here's how people actually make money from this. They post these videos on platforms like TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and then finally YouTube Shorts. And because the format is highly engaging and loopable, they can go viral multiple times, and this helps these creators make a lot of money per month. Many of the owners of these faceless pages create courses on how to create videos like how they are creating, and so you can also sell a course on the type of video you're creating and teach people how to create the same type of videos. Now you've seen exactly how these viral teeth cleaning videos are made step by step with these free AI tools that I showed you. If you apply this consistently and you don't give up, one viral video can completely change your channel and make you a lot of money. I'll leave all prompts in the description. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.